Opening a new database connection for every request is silently killing your performance. Connection pooling solves this by maintaining a set of pre-established database connections that get reused across multiple requests. Instead of opening a new connection for every query, your application borrows an existing one from the pool, executes the operation, and returns it when done. The connections stay open and ready, waiting for the next request to come in. Why does this matter? Every TCP connection involves a three-way handshake, followed by authentication and driver initialization. Without pooling, that overhead hits every single database call. Under heavy traffic, this latency compounds quickly. Connection pooling eliminates all of that. Your queries go straight to execution on a warm, authenticated connection, making your application dramatically faster under load. In MongoDB, pooling is built directly into the driver. MongoClient automatically maintains a connection pool per server. The default pool size is 100 connections, which you tune with the maxPoolSize option. Pooling also enables concurrency. Multiple operations can run in parallel across different pooled connections. If all connections are busy, new requests wait in a queue. Use maxIdleTimeMS to expire idle connections and waitQueueTimeoutMS to prevent requests from waiting too long. Connection pooling reuses warm connections to cut per request overhead. Tune maxPoolSize to match your workload. Like and subscribe for more MongoDB tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.